Hello everyone, I am Cadet Liliana Gilleret. I am the Command Sergeant Major of the JROTC Dysart High School program.
Hello, my name is Madeline Cortez Pantaleon. I attend here at Dysart High School. I am in the JROTC program and this is my third year.
Hello, my name is Joel Lindy. I'm a senior here at Dysart High School. I've been in the junior ROTC program for about 4 years now.
There's a lot of different personalities in this program and we welcome every single one of them. You could have a future in going to college, trade school, military, or if you wanted to just even work right after high school. And the instructors will definitely push you to be the best version of yourself, and they will also help you get to the goal that is best going to be for your future.
We do a lot in the junior ROTC program. A lot of the program is based on special teams and our outside of school activities. You're only in the classroom for 3 days of the week out of all 5. And so a lot of what happens in JROTC happens outside of school on our teams.
So we have 3 teams.
Raiders is a physical fitness team where we'll compete in events similar to CrossFit events.
We go by winners lose, winners fail, but winners never quit.
And then they have color guard, and the color guard, they do drill ceremonies at school, at feeder schools for like Veterans Day, for assemblies here, assemblies at feeder schools, and they're a drill cadence team, and so they do a series of drill movements. And then we have a marksmanship team, and they're actually going to state this year. They're pretty good, and it's just a air rifle shooting team. Personally, I think the biggest thing I've gained is my independence, because when I came here, I was really shy and I kind of just did what everyone else did.
It's just a great way to get out of your shell, talk to new people, and get to know your high school and your peers as well.
This is a family. We want you to feel like this is a second home to you, coming to the JROTC program every single day.
It's important for Dysart to have the JROTC because of the values it instills in the students and the benefits students can get from the program outside of that. They can get things like community service hours for college, or they can get rank ups in the military. So there's something for everybody in the program, and so it's really important that Dysart has this so that students are offered some place to get life lessons that they'll continue to use.
It allows kids to have new experiences, and it allows kids to become a better person, a better version of themselves. Our mission statement of JROTC is to shape young minds into becoming better citizens, and this program 100% allows you to become a better citizen for your communities, and it helps you set up for your future. Come join us on October 19th at 5:30 at the district for the College and Career Expo.